Hello everyone, welcome to Lockdown Cracks with Payal. Hope you have enjoyed your Diwali. After Diwali, we need something to play with. So today I am going to share with you a rabbit puppet that you can play. It looks like this. So let's begin. For that you will need a paper cup. Now this paper cup I have is a paper. It's made up of paper. You can also use of plastic. Now you have some, if you have some designs on this, it is not compulsory, but if you want you can stick newspaper for your creativity, or you can stick chart paper or anything, but I am keeping it like this only. Then you will need sellotape, pink crayon for the ears and the paw which we are gonna make. So you can use any color as per your creativity. Then we will need scissor to cut our rabbit, and today I am also going to share with you how to make this rabbit face and two paws. So we will need scissor to cut the cutout and a white paper, a white cardstock. You can take any small one. I have taken little big, but you can take this half also. You can make small or big. Then the most important part, you will need 3 straws, only 3 straws. You can take big straws, you can take small straws, and it should be like this, of same color, not different colors. You can take like this also, but there should be no 3 different colors. The middle one should be the different and 2 sides should be the same only, not the different. But I am using same straws only. These are plastic straws. Now you can also use paper straws if you don't have plastic straws. Then you will need black sketch pen. Now I am doing it with directly with sketch pen, but first you can do it with pencil. Then if any errors you can erase it and again do, and then border it with sketch pen. So let's start. So first you have to take your scissor, your paper cup or plastic cup, and your plastic or paper straws. So first we are gonna do with the cup and the scissor. Now keep the straws aside. Now at the bottom one, not the, this is the open one from where we put the water and drink, you have to keep it upside down so the base will come to you. Now in the middle point, now you will think how to understand the middle. It is not of a perfection you can put here, but it should be not at the base side. It should be a little bit here or in the middle, or you can use ruler also to measure. So take your scissor, keep it like this, or you can use pencil also. So put your scissor, you can use cutter also, and on the middle and push it inside, so you will get a hole. It should be not a very big, and then if you see any this sides, no, you can just cut it out, but it should be not little big. I have done a medium one, so it should look like this. I'm cutting a little bit more. Okay, now don't put it more or it will be a little big and then you cannot adjust it. A very important point, keep the hole a little bit small only. If the straw is not going, you can then do it, or if you want confirmation you can put your straw inside. My straw is going perfectly and coming out, so my hole is perfect. Now comes the hard part. It will be a little hard, so keep your cup like this. The base should be now down. We don't need any base. Now take your scissor and on the side. Now I will show you the side look. So keep your cup like this side, and then make a hole. Not here, not here, or it will, the cup will only cup will break. So not here, here a little bit down. You can take 2 to 3 centimeters. I'm doing with estimation. So now little bit here. Now this is paper cup, so put your hand here, not here where you are holding, or your hand will get fractured. So keep it like this, and then make a hole with scissor. A little bit, push it in, or what you can do is, if you want your finger safety, you can just bend it like this, and this bended part though, with the scissor little bit pinch it like this. So you can see a hole has become. Now you can from there cut it a little bit. You can insert your scissor and then a little bit more big, and then for confirmation again put your straw. Now my hole is a little bit small, so now you can again cut it a little bit. Don't in one step only, don't cut more or we can't repair it again. So cut a little bit, and now see the straw. See, now it's going. Now we have to here we have done the hole, so same on this side we have to do, not here, not here. Now how to understand that this side only we have to do to this side? So put your straw in, keep it straight, not here, not here, straight, straight, straight. So you will understand the point. So here we have to do, so keep your finger, so here, so keep your finger, take your straw out, so we have to put a hole here. So again bend it, I told you the trick, then a pinch little bit, open, and see a hole has been. Now cut it a little bit. I repeat, don't cut a big hole. You can take help of your parents to make holes, or easy way you can insert a screwdriver in this. Now I will see the straw if it's inserting. Yes. So it is inserting here also and here also. I will take the straw out. Now our cup part is done. Now we will keep it aside. We have to use it again, so don't throw it anywhere. Keep it aside. Then take your 3 straws. Now I am going to show you neatly where we have to put the sellotape, or you will put here, so put it correctly. So take your sellotape. Keep the straws like this. Now how? So you can see, I'm showing you a straw. You can see one part that decreases, increases, that one should be facing upside. This is the down, little bit small, and this is the bigger one. So bigger one should be down and smaller one should be face up. So you have to do the same to all the both straws and align them like this. Okay. Now take a piece of sellotape, not on this mark, a little bit above it. So take your one straw, a little bit above, I told you, put the straw, stick it, and then take the other. Now you have to keep it like this, this part should be straight, not like this, not like this, it should be straight. So see, then little bit here, yes, and then stick it. Do the same with the third one. So take this, not the downside, the upper side, the smaller side should be up, little bit straight. Now I have done it. Now take it up and pack it. So you have to rotate your straws and go sticking it like this. And it's not compulsory that you have to do a little bit above and stick it. You can do on it also. For more confirmation that it will not come out, take the second sellotape piece also, as I am doing, and then rotate it and pack it. And you have to be a little bit hard, not loose, so it will look like this. Now take your scissor Now first see and then do. I know it will be a little bit confusing. So the side straws, not the middle straws, only the side straw. What you can do, put the straw a little bit aside and then cut a little bit. We have to cut more, but if it is cut more, so we will not be able to adjust it. Now keep it like this, and then on the line only, like this, and then on the line only cut it. Now keep it like this. Now we have to see, check it. These are the hands, small hands, and this is the face. So take your cup, keep it like this, upside down, and then put the middle one. Middle one should go in the base hole, cup's base. So put it in, and then these two straws, keep it like this only, not open. Then put the middle one and the right one on the right hole which we made. It will go like this, and the left one will go in the left hole like this. See, now you can see your hands are little bit big, so you can adjust it. So you can do how you want. You can do a little bit like this, small. So take it out and keep the cup aside. And it is not compulsory that this should be a little bit leveled, as we are gonna cut it like this only from here. So I want a little bit small hands, so I am doing this much. Now again put your straw after cutting it in the holes, and see what. Now you will think how to do it like this, So the down one we have stick. No, this is the handle for us. So you can keep it like this, so it will say hi to you like this. Now take it out and keep the cup again aside, and keep it like this, and keep this also aside. Now we are gonna make the rabbit. It's very funny. So I keep the scissor also aside. So you have to take the white paper. So first we are gonna make the face. It is very easy. So a little bit distance from the upper side, because the ears of the rabbit are little bit big, no? So we need some place to make the ears. It is not like the cat and dog small ears. So keep a little bit distance. You can say 5 to 6 centimeters, how much you want your rabbit's ears to be. Then from here start and make a half oval, not a full oval, a half oval. So start from this point, and you can use a ruler, and till this point only we are going to make straight line. Then slowly make a oval like this. Now we are going to make a little bit hair of this. So you have done like this, no? So put this point in, out, in, zigzag. Now do the same to this, zigzag, and then make the half circle. So you can make oval also if you want your rabbit's face to be small. Now we are going to make the nose. So make the nose. So make a oval like this, and you have to join the oval here. Make a point straight from the up, make a point, and then join these both lines like this. Now from this point make a straight line, and then half smile. So like this, and same like this. Now we are gonna make the hair also. We can call it a big, then small, big, big, small, big. You can also do small, big, small pattern. And then now we are going to make the eyes. So from the nose we are going to start and make a oval like this, and then same size here also. You can make how eyes you want. Then make a circle inside like this, small circle inside like this, then a small circle down. We have made up, now down, and the space which remains we are gonna color it with pencil or sketch pen which you are using like this. Do the same, circle, eyes, up and down circles, and then color it. Now the ears. So make 2 points, how much width you want of your rabbit's ear, and then make like this shape, and inside make a small shape. So we can say it is at the oval. I will show you again at the left side. So a big oval, in that big oval a little bit small oval. Why small oval? Because we are going to color it with pink. Now we will color the nose and the middle, which I told you we are going to color it with pink. As rabbit are white, we are not going to color anything to the face. So the nose and the 2 middle small parts, not the big parts. Isn't it easy? Then color this one also. Now we are going to make the paws, means the hands. So make the thumb. I am making only 4, you can make 5 like this. Then curve, then like this. Curve like this, like this. We can call it zigzag, and then a half circle. So this point should join this point. Done. Now make a small shape like this, then a oval. I will show you with this paw also. Then make small ovals in these space. One paw is ready. I will show you once again for the left paw. Zigzag, 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 zigzag. Then this point join to this point. Your paw is done. Now inside one. So make it like this shape. It will look like a cloud only. And then this point to this point with oval shape. Now make small ovals in these spaces. Now we are gonna color it with pink. You can use color pencils also, or crayons as I am using. So we are going to color this part which we made like a cloud, and these small ovals which we made in the spaces. If you understand the trick, you can make it in 5 to 6 minutes. It is very easy. Don't color the white part. Like this. You can see one paw I have colored. Same to this one. And I'm repeating that first use pencil, don't use sketch pen. Or if you do anything wrong, you will not able to erase it. It will look like this. Now we are gonna cut it. Now I have done cutting this face of the rabbit and 2 paws of the rabbit. Now we are gonna stick it on this straw. Now I am seeing that this head is a little bit long, so I will cut it a little bit short, so my rabbit face will hide it, and my paws also will hide it. Now if you have double side tape, it is good, but I don't have it. So with this normal tape we can make double side tape. Now what you have to do, pinch the two sides like this, put one side ahead and the other side on it, because this is the sticky side, this will stick on it. So this on this, I will show you again. Pinch the two sides like this, put this side ahead and put this on it. Your double side tape is ready. From all the sides it will be sticky. Now put the double side tape on your straw. So now it will fall down. So take your scissor, put in it the hole and press it so it will not fall down. Now take the rabbit face and put it on the double side tape which we have put, and then press it well so it will not come down like this. Now I have made two double side tape like that only. So take the tape, keep it in the center, not here, not here. Then put your double side tape on it. From the hole put the scissor, press it, and then put your one paw, press it. Do the same on the left side also. So silver tape, the hole, push it, and then the other paw, and your rabbit puppet is ready. See. And now you can make this hands a little bit big, and it can do high with one hand also. Now how you have to do, not the center, from which hand you want. If you want from the right, push this to right and then do it. See, from one hand it is doing. And if you want from the left, push it left and then do it like this. If you liked my today's video, please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.